As the years go by, our taste buds change. Sometimes that change makes us appreciate drinks we didn't enjoy before. The Amaretto Sour is one of those drinks. My name is Carl, and welcome to Alchemix, where we'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. I can't tell you when or where I had my first Amaretto Sour, but I know who I was with. A long time ago, I dated a woman whose drinks of choice were typical dive bar classics. I'm talking about Alabama Slammers, Amaretto Sours, Tequila Sunrises, and the like sugary drinks made with cheap ingredients. Maybe this is surprising, but I didn't really drink until I was in my late 20s. It was cheap beer, rail liquor and soda, or one of my ex's sugary mixed drinks, if I did. Fast forward to my 30s when I started to learn about making cocktails. I couldn't figure out why people liked Amaretto Sours. All I could think of when people would order them was the taste of cheap Amaretto liqueur, cheap sour mix, and a neon cherry garnish. Until a couple years ago when I came across Jeffrey Morgenthaler's recipe while watching some of the now popular YouTube channels making this drink, I was blown away. It sounded delicious, like everything I wanted a drink to be, and it used an egg white and bourbon. Jeffrey Morgenthaler is a bartender out of Portland, Oregon. He's been bartending since 1996 and writing about cocktails since 2004. In case you needed more incentive to try his Amaretto Sour recipe, he was voted one of the 17 most influential bartenders in the past 100 years. I'm not even top 17 in my 3 humans and 1 cat household, so that's definitely a significant accomplishment in my book. Cask strength bourbon, fresh lemon juice, and an egg white set his recipe apart. High quality ingredients really do make all the difference. Cask strength bourbon is the true hero of the cocktail and clocks in at over 110 proof. I don't have any of that around my bar, and I wanted to make the drink a little bit more approachable. So I used Knob Creek 100 proof bourbon, which paired nicely with the disaronno instead of that dive bar Amaretto liqueur. After dry and wet shaking, I double strained the cocktail into a coupe glass and garnished it with a luxardo cherry. It's not neon, and that's a good thing. Thanks for watching our recipe for an Amaretto Sour. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each of our recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake things up.